and simply jelly jam. There were a few final touches I made to my DIY craft cabinet. I mostly needed to touch up paint here and there. My dad drilled a hole for a power extension cable. Having a power strip I can easily reach on a shelf is convenient when I need to plug something in. Something like a heat gun, wood burning tool, or a desktop robot to annoy me while I crafted. To touch up the bookcase backings, I sprayed some of the spray paint into a cup and used a paintbrush to take care of the areas that needed it. When the touch-up paint dried, I placed the shelves and then organized my arts and crafts supplies. I placed lighter weight items on the two bookcases that made the doors. This allowed me to open and close the doors easily. I then placed the heavier items on the two bookcases that made the back of the cabinet. My organization may look messy to some, but it's good for me. I know where every little thing is, and that's what's important. I have been moving things around as I use the cabinet more often. A little change here and there has been helping me better organize my stuff. I already own most of the storage containers, but I did buy the 3-drawer desk organizers, the magazine holders, and the paper pad containers specifically for this cabinet. The resin tabletop is easy to attach and detach. It's not lightweight by any means, but I can afford to build muscle strength and lose some weight. Place the items that I use most often either on the doors or on the back shelves above the area where the resin tabletop attaches. I've yet to actually use this setup for my arts and crafts projects, so I don't yet know how easy or annoying it would be for me to reach the 3-drawer desk organizers. very happy with how my DIY craft cabinet turned out. I'm especially glad I put my favorite Disney character on the front. It's a decent large artwork to look at when the doors are closed. I hope you enjoyed the DIY craft cabinet videos that I shared the past couple of weeks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.